everyone. Thank you for watching dotData webinar. I'm Ryohei, CEO and founder of dotData. Today, I'm going to talk about a very exciting trend in machine learning and data science, how automation will change data science. Understanding deep customer behaviors and offer right product in the right timing, or applying data insights to develop a new product or new services. Predicting product demands over next quarter to optimize production, inventory, and supply chain. Analyzing lots of IoT sensors to assess the risk of failures in energy generation plants and optimize the maintenance workflow. Data science is core to business today. Without any doubt, data science in machine learning is one of the most important technologies for any enterprise to innovate its businesses. Data science is important, but it is not very easy. According to market research, 96% of organizations run into some sort of problems in AI and ML projects. There are similar statistics like 85% of big data project fails. So the question is why? Why is data science and machine learning hard and failed? Lack of data scientists, lack of domain experts, communication and expectation gap between business and data science teams. There might be different reasons, but the fact is many data science projects are still experiments in data science labs, and they are not yet truly implemented in business. So to understand this problem, let us review a typical data science process. It always starts from identifying critical business use cases. This is the single most important first step of any data science project. Once business use case, business objective is determined, then we have to collect the data stored in various business systems. And so we have to first collect, integrate, and unify the data from different systems. Once data is unified, next step is so-called last mile ETL and feature engineering. Relational data, transactional data, temporal data, geolocational data, text data, enterprise data are so diverse and complex that this process is often the most manual and most time-consuming. There are many challenges around feature engineering. The most critical factor in feature engineering is domain expertise. Building feature is nothing but extracting promising data patterns based on our domain knowledge. However, for a data science team or as a data scientist, it is not very easy to access deep domain knowledge. This process eventually requires a lot of iterations and interactions across interdisciplinary teams. In addition, raw data, which are not yet aggregated, may contain billions of rows. We have to write lots of SQL queries to combine and aggregate tens or even sometimes hundreds of tables with complex relationships. Overall, this data and feature engineering process often takes months to complete. Once a feature table is ready, it's time to build machine learning models. There are highly accurate models like a gradient boosting or neural network. On the other hand, there's a many different type of model, like a transparent model, like a linear model or decision tree. So we have to carefully select the algorithm, carefully tune their parameters, and based on our understanding of project requirements. Now we have features and we have machine learning models based on these features. We have to deploy and operationalize them in production environment. Quality issue, scalability issue, maintainability issue, there's many technical challenges to make data science truly work in production environment. In summary, data science is critical technology, but it is still very manual, usually takes months to complete, and requires interdisciplinary skills and knowledge. That's why many many enterprises are still struggling to adopt data science and machine learning in their businesses. Now, let's talk about automation. Well, how can automation help data science team, and how automation can address the problems that I described just now? As you may know, automated machine learning, or simply AutoML, is a big momentum in this community. AutoML automates certain steps in the data science process. It makes data science team more efficient and more effective. We believe there are four areas that automation helps data science team: accelerate, democratize, augment, and operationalize. So let me explain each area one by one. The first pillar is accelerate. Data science is essentially iteration process, and it is critical to do try and learn cycle faster. For example, you may want to compare different machine learning algorithms, or given a business problem, you can formulate it as either regression problem or classification problem. Which is better? You are provided a customer segmentation information by business team. Should we build one model per each segment, or should we build one single global model across the entire segment? You don't know the answer until you try your ideas on actual data. So that's why you need a lot of try and learn cycles. Automation is a key tool to allow you to try more ideas and find better one faster than ever before. One of dotData clients took 2 to 3 months to complete one data science project before dotData. But now with dotData, they are running more than 100 tasks in 6 months. More than 100 just in 6 months. This extremely fast turnaround to try your ideas is one of the keys to succeed in data science project. And that's how automation is going to help you. The second pillar is democratize. Automation can eliminate the codings and deep technical knowledge, such as statistics or machine learning, which are hidden behind the platform. So automation enables more people to execute data science projects. Citizen data scientist is an important concept in contemporary data science. As you know, data scientists are very important resources in organization, but they are very difficult to hire and even very difficult to retain. Citizen data scientists can scale data science project for organization. Simply, more people can execute data science processes. Experienced data scientists in this context behave as a mentor or leaders to guide a citizen data scientist. Another important aspect is democratizations allow experienced data scientists to focus important tasks. There's many use cases in enterprise, but they are not equally important and not equally difficult. There's many projects that citizen data scientists can solve. Then data science team or experienced data scientist can focus on projects with the largest business impact and bigger technical challenges. Data science democratization is not only for citizens, but it is equally important for experienced data scientists. The third pillar is augment. Personally, I really like this pillar. As data scientists, we usually try hundreds or sometimes even thousands of feature hypotheses for a given use case based on our domain knowledge. But imagine what if we can explore millions of features, much more features than you can manually explore. Automation helps you to squeeze the data and extract the deeper business insight that complement your domain knowledge. Let me talk about a few stories. One of our airline clients used dotData to predict customers who are more likely to go to Hawaii and try to understand the customer behavior so that they can design new promotion marketing campaigns. Data contain a lot of historical data, like a flight history or mileage history, with billions of rows. There's a many interest feature produced by dotData platform. For example, there are a couple of features related to gender. The first one is male customer is much less likely to go to Hawaii. This is a very well-known fact, so there is no surprise for an airline customer. The second feature was male customers who have more flight records in last 6 weeks are even much less likely to go to Hawaii. Many flight records in 6 weeks. This may be very business person who are traveling a lot for business trip. So that type of person has no time to take family to Hawaii. The airline customer may be able to design some new promotion campaign to the customer who has this type of features. Like, oh, hey, look, you are too busy. Why don't you take some vacation and take your family to Hawaii and enjoy your summer? So this type of knowledge is bringing a lot of new ideas for the user of automation platform and delivers a lot of business insight. I want to emphasize that these hypotheses were automatically produced by machine without any human intervention. So automation has huge potential to discover many valuable insights that you have never imagined before, and that augment your domain expertise. The last pillar is operationalize. Data science projects truly generate business value, not when we build a model. It generates the value when the model are operated in business. However, there are many challenges to deploy and operationalize data science in business. Oftentimes, data science lab environment and the production environment are very different. Also, data science team typically works with partial or downsampled data for validation purpose. Or data scientists are not software engineers, so there are the many re-implementation effort required for productionized data science process. In this context, automation automatically produces production-ready codes or APIs that eliminate a lot of these challenges, like quality issues, scalability issue, or maintainability issues, and then significantly lowers the barrier to bring out your data science project from labs to business. I believe that this last area, operationalization of data science, is becoming more and more important, given model development itself is becoming easier with excellent tools, including AutoML. Again, data science can make real business impact when it is integrated in business system and business processes and used in day-to-day business. Automation helps you to operationalize data science. I hope my presentation so far give you an idea of how automation is going to help your organization for the successful data science journey. And here, let me briefly explain our offering as dotData. dotData is data science automation platform which support full cycle data science process from raw data through data and feature engineering to machine learning in production. The most unique component is AI-powered feature engineering. You put tables, 10 tables, 50 tables, as many as you want. Then our algorithm explores millions of feature hypotheses and find out relevant and promising feature patterns for a given use cases. We also have the AutoML component, which explores hundreds of state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms and tune their hyperparameter for the best accuracy. The turnaround time with dotData is significantly shortened. Previously, it was months without dotData, but now we are talking about the days to complete this end-to-end process with dotData. Seasoned data scientists can perform this complex process, which makes your data science projects scalable and sustainable. AI-powered feature engineering delivers lots of interesting and important business insights to augment your business knowledge. And the production-ready pipeline is immediately exposed as API, which makes you very easy to productionize your data science project. This is the last slide of this presentation. In May 2019, one of the top market research firm, Forrester, published a new wave report, Automation-Focused Machine Learning Solutions, and dotData named as leader. In particular, our ability to automate data and feature engineering process beyond standard AutoML was highly respected. Forrester published a report specifically focused on AutoML. This indicates that automation is going to be the next key technology in machine learning and in the enterprise data science. I hope this webinar helps you to understand the value of automation in enterprise data science and how automation will change data science. Please visit our website, www.dotdata.com, to learn more. Thank you again for watching dotData webinar.